Revenue Agency rules relating to how support payments are to be treated are quite complex. To make things more confusing, the Federal Income Tax Act has separate rules for spousal support as opposed to child support. Today, we will be discussing some key points to consider. Spousal support is generally deductible for the person who is paying support and is taxable as income for the recipient. Child support is neither deductible nor taxable. This means that a spouse who is receiving spousal support must report the payments as income, and the spouse paying support can deduct it from his or her income. Lump sum spousal support does not qualify as a deduction. However, nor does spousal support paid indirectly. For example, with one separated spouse agreeing to pay the mortgage payments of another. This applies to payments being made pursuant to a written agreement or court order. Informal arrangements made between the separating couple are not eligible for a tax deduction by the paying spouse. Any written agreement of this type must state the date of separation, the terms, and the exact dollar amount of the support payments that are to be made, and the date the support payments will commence. Child support payments are not deductible by the paying parent nor the receiving parent. Once again, the payments must be made as a result of a written agreement or court order, which sets out the nature of the support being paid, the amount, and other details. A lump sum payment, which does not specify that it is made in respect of child support, or that does not delineate between the spousal and child support portions, will not qualify for the deduction. It is therefore important to ensure that any separation agreement or court order make the terms and amount clear. The Canada Revenue Agency also allows a deduction to the recipient spouse or parent for the cost of obtaining or enforcing a spousal or child support order, which includes legal fees and certain enforcement-related expenses. However, the cost of defending a claim for support or for the payment of arrears of support is not deductible. Needless to say, this is just the tip of the iceberg in connection with how spousal and child support payments are treated for tax purposes in Canada. Legal advice is a must. But what most partners on the verge of separation or divorce often overlook is that it's best to obtain competent legal advice before coming to any agreement as to support. Otherwise, you may fail to foresee the tax ramifications of an informal and child support arrangement, which can result in unpleasant surprises at tax time. Expert advice from a lawyer is essential. We hope you have found this video helpful. If you require further information about income tax and spousal or child support, please give us a call or visit our website.